So, are you considering moving north of Atlanta? Well, we are here to help you with that move today. We're in a beautiful area in Canton, Georgia, and this is Carmichael Farms. It actually is an established neighborhood, but they are opening up 53 more lots on their final phase. So they're just about ready to build. It's a good time to get in. There are 4 different floor plans available. There are some basement lots, there are some slab lots, and these range from 3,000 to 4,000 square feet approximately, 4 and 5 bedrooms, and they are going to be in the $600,000 and $700,000 range. So we're going to take a quick look around the neighborhood, but before we do, I want to remind you, if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future tours when they come available. Well, as you can see, this is just a gorgeous community. It's fall here in Georgia, so the leaves are changing. This is most people's very favorite time of the year. So Carmichael Farms is an established community, but as we said, they are building 53 more homes, and so this is just the entrance to the neighborhood. We'll go back and take a look at the amenities as well. The model we're going to tour here today at Carmichael Farms is the Sequoia model. This is by Century Communities. It's 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and around 3,400 square feet, and it is going to be in the high 600s. Let's go in and view this beauty. As we come inside, to the right you have a living room or study, whatever you need for that to be. That's your flex room. To the left is a dining room. So you have your separate dining room, and as you can see, it goes into the kitchen. Now, as we come into the living area, see we have a fireplace, sliding doors to a nice backyard. Now the lots here are about 1/3 of an acre. You have your patio. And then as we make our way over to the kitchen, see these very pretty quartz countertops. Lots of windows here. And here's your breakfast area. Everything's open so nobody misses anything. Have your oven and microwave, single bowl sink. You have your 5-burner gas cooktop, Subway backsplash. A really nice sized pantry. Let me open that door for you. Plenty of room here. And as I said, that goes back into the dining room. Now on the other side of the main level, there's a guest bedroom and bath. Now that's what this plan calls for. There are also some plans here that have the primary on the main. Here's a little playroom for the kiddos. And your guest bedroom. Really a nice size. Has a walk-in closet and a full bath, which is also accessible from the hallway. This model has 3-car garage, and so there's your garage, little mud bench where you come in, and a coat closet. Okay, let's go take a look upstairs. Okay, we're nearing the top of the stairs. Really pretty hardwood floors here. Now here's one of my favorite things as you get to the top. So the first time I walked up these stairs, I thought, I really love this open space here, and it's not just that it's open, it's very functional, and there's no wasted space. So you have this gathering area in the middle, and then the bedrooms are just kind of off to the side. I love it. Now let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Like I said, very, very functional. Got a little smoke detector going off here that needs a battery. I apologize for the beeping. It's your primary suite. Tile floors Love the shower. Has dual shower heads and dual benches. Really nice. And you have your dual vanities as well. Your water closet and a very large walk-in closet. Okay, making our way back, we'll go take a look at the other bedroom. So the first one here has an ensuite bath. Got your bunk beds, got plenty of space in here. Walk-in closet. Here's your ensuite, and again, this one also is accessible from the hallway. Tile surround with the tub. Here's that great gathering space. There's a wonderful linen closet. And here you have bedroom number 3 upstairs. Don't you just love the decor here? And it has a Jack and Jill bath. There's your vanity, closet, tub shower combination, linen closet, toilet area, another vanity for the other side and another closet, and right into the bedroom number 4 on the upper level. Now, the convenient large laundry room with all kinds of storage right up here where all the bedrooms are. Makes absolute sense. It brings us right back out here to the fun space. I wanted to give you a snapshot of the amenities here. Very nice clubhouse, junior Olympic size pool. There's a little pavilion up there. Nice size playground for the kiddos. There's sidewalks everywhere, so if you're looking to get your steps in, this is a great place to walk. And then of course, there are tennis courts here as well. Well, that wraps up our tour of the Sequoia model here at Carmichael Farms in Canton, Georgia. What did you think? I'm sure that you loved it. If we can help you with this or any other homes north of Atlanta, my team and I would love to assist you. We help buyers like you every single day, whether you're ready to move in 9 or 90 days. So give me a call, shoot us a text or an email, or schedule a chat. All of my contact information is below. And don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future tours. Have a great day.